I knew I never should've I opened up my Bible to try to see to give me some guidance. I've been praying to the Lord, but I don't think He hear me yet. Trying to get away from all the stress and the pain and the cigarettes that I'm studying going through this game. I'm feeling so much pain. Hold up, how can I maintain? When me losing my brother, me losing so many people in this gut. I wanna take my own life, but ain't the way to live. I can't get to heaven like that. That ain't the way to feel. But at the same time, you gotta keep your mind on your state, cause you don't know when it's your time to go and take that place. Cause you know, it's never too late, but you got to make a way. Even though it's getting hard, and even though you trying, it's getting harder every time. In your mind, you feel like giving up, but don't do that. Just stay strong and hold on, and I guarantee He'll be back one day. He will be back. He will be back one day, and I can't wait till that day come. I can't wait till that day come. Can't wait till that day come, cause I know it's coming. The thing I gotta do is pray to the Lord and hold on something. Cause ain't no love out here in this cold world. They're trying to put us in this. What's wrong with this world? Why do we can't change? Why we can't get away from the pain? Why do we go through so much that cause so much pain to us? Looking at the news, I don't know to be looking at the news no more.